Hi everyone, it's James. You're looking at a children's game called Spotted Halloween. I got this from AliExpress for a lot cheaper. And I know it's a little early for Halloween stuff, but here it is. And I'm going to show you exactly what's inside it. And if you don't know how to play it, I'll show you how to play it. It's fun. And if you learn how to play this, I'm sure your kids will love it. Okay, let's open it. This is a tin container. It's my first time to open it. We have an instruction manual. It is in English. And I did mention that I bought it from AliExpress. I'll put a link in the description box if you're interested in ordering this. Here is a list of symbols. Okay, so very nice. Nice construction paper type of paper. Here's a blank one. And how many cards are there? For players ages 7 to adult. Party game for 2 to 8 players. It tells you on the cover. Now, I have to tell you that I play it differently, but according to the official rules, you're supposed to set it up like this. Let's say that you're playing with 3 students or 3 kids. You deal out 1 card to each person, face down, like this. And the remaining pictures stay in the middle, like this, faced up. And then when you say, ready, get set, go, they flip over their cards, and the first person to spot an identical symbol calls it out, then they take it. For example, let's say this kid says 13, as in Friday the 13th. There's a 13 here. That kid takes this card and places on top. You win by the most number of cards collected. So this is the way to play it according to the official rules. It's up to you how you want to do this. I'm going to read the list of symbols. Bloody hand, fly, dead tree, full moon, dungeon door, mummy, candelabra, owl, garlic, fangs, lollipop, candy, grave, haunted house, bone, cobweb, test tube, cauldron, 13, old boot, toad, voodoo doll, ball and chain, snake, treat, goodie bag, pitchfork, skull, boo, brain, witch hat, candy corn, jack-o'-lantern, bat, Frankenstein, ghost, vampire, zombie. Now this is going to be a little difficult for little ones. It will be a good idea to go over all the pictures with your students or kids. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I would play this game. It's up to you, okay? So 1 card would be faced up. This. And then let's say that you have 3 kids playing. So you would deal each one the same number of cards all the way until you're finished. Okay, so to make this quick, let's say that they have an even amount. And at the same time, they'll flip over the top card. Ready, get set, go! Okay, flip over your top card. I'm going to show you. Okay, and they need to match. Okay, so we have an eyeball, a dungeon door, a witch hat, brains, a crow, treat, jack-o'-lantern, black cat, eyeball. So let's say the kid to my right, which is to your left, says eyeball. So they discard their card in the center. And to win is to discard all their cards. If they do, they win. It's the reverse of the official way. It's up to you. Now, if we stick with the official way, because this is an official game, you give out one card to each child, and the remaining cards are faced up. And you say, are you ready? Okay, flip over your card. So this child has this. This child has this. This child has this. And this is the center card. You know what? Some of the pictures aren't listed in the manual. You see this blob of blood. It's not written. Sorry, YouTube. I use that word. Okay, so we have vampire, 13 fangs, haunted tree, black cat, bloody foot. There I go again. Blood. There I go again. Haunted house. Haunted house. Haunted house. Vampire again. Let's say the kid to my right, which is to your left, says 13. Okay, so what they do is take that card from the center and place it on top of theirs. The first player to accumulate the most cards wins. So from the next card in the pile, there's a, this is an old shirt. Look at this. An old shirt, an old boot, chocolate, jack-o'-lantern, mummy, bone, lightning, vampire. I didn't see chocolate and lightning in the manual. Okay, let's say the kid to my left, which is to your right, and this kid calls out, lightning! Okay, this is yours. Okay, you take it and place it on top of your stack, their stack. Okay, and so on. So this is how to play this game. It is Spot It, Halloween, Get It. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys.